In today's video, let's talk about the way that you can use Gemini in Google search. If you don't want to go to the dedicated website, you can easily use it in the Google search as well. So for example, if you do a simple query, it's going to show you before the normal results a section called AI overview. So like you normally go on gemini.com or gemini.google.com, this is the summary of those results. So whenever you type in something on the Google search results, you're going to get a section called AI overview. Now the AI overview does not come in every query. Mostly it comes in some informational queries. But secondly, what you can do is go to the AI mode section just beneath the all section. And this way you can use Gemini as you normally do, but for all of the results. Whatever queries that you may have, whether they be informational or even transactional, you can add in your queries and the chatbot will get your answers. So by heading over to the AI mode section, you can use Gemini AI straight on the Google search. So that was all for this video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.